What makes a paper airplane fly? It's called projectile motion. So today, me and my little friend will help us explore.
So what exactly is projectile motion? A projectile motion is when an object is thrown, launched, or yeeted into the air, and it follows a curved path called a trajectory.
Look at that majestic flight. A true warrior fighting against gravity and air resistance.
That curved path, that's the parabola. It's the same one you see in math class. Projectile motion is basically a combination of two things. First is the horizontal motion. It is how far your airplane travels forward. Second is the vertical motion. It is how high or how low it goes. So let's demonstrate. The horizontal motion is constant, meaning it keeps moving at the same speed unless something stops it, like a wall. Next is the vertical motion, though it is rolled by gravity. And gravity is that invisible force that makes your paper plane always come back down. And now, it's time to test So here we have three paper planes, namely A, B, and C. Each one will be launched at a different angle of projection. So let's start with plane A. Plane A will be launched at a low angle.
Oh no!
So next is plane B. Plane B will be launched at the mid angle, or the perfect angle. And lastly, plane C. Plane C will be launched at a very dramatic high angle.
Oh no!
And now, it's time to analyze the results. So we have plane A launched at a very low angle. It was fast. That's because I threw it at a low angle. It didn't stay in the air long since gravity pulled it down quickly. Next is the plane C, and this one just wanted to touch the sky. That's a high angle. It went up really high, but most of the force was vertical, so it lost speed fast and landed almost where it started. And lastly, the plane B. It's the perfect balance. Half of the throw's force goes upward and the other half goes forward, giving the airplane just the right combo of height and distance. And that's why the mid-angle is a golden angle for maximum range. And that wraps up our testing science! And now, let's count down the top 3 things that affect your paper plane's epic flight. On top 3, we have initial velocity. Initial velocity refers to the velocity of an object at the beginning of a sequence or motion. It is how fast you throw it. If you throw it gently, it flops. But if you throw it too hard, it flies real hard. On top 2, we have the angle of projection. Angle of projection refers to the angle at which an object is launched relative to a horizontal line. As we saw, the mid-angle is the sweet spot. Too low equals short trip. Too high equals to the sky. And on top 1, we have gravity. Gravity is a force of attraction that exists between all objects with mass. Gravity is the reason your paper plane doesn't stay up there forever. So what have we learned today? Every time you throw a paper plane, You're not just messing around, you're doing science in motion.
Bye!